Hey everyone! If you have been following me on social media for a while, you may have noticed that I typically recommend physical sunscreens over chemical. There are a lot of questions that I receive daily about those two types of sun protection. Many people still don't know the difference between the chemical sunscreen filters and physical ones. They don't understand the difference and they don't know why they should choose a physical sunscreen over a chemical one. So I have decided to create this short video to help you figure out which sunscreen protection is a better choice for you. I would like to explain the difference between those two types of SPF and really help you choose the right sunscreen that would fit your aesthetic needs. So when we talk about sunscreens, we usually divide the sunscreens into two categories. Those two categories are physical or mineral sunscreens and chemical sunscreens. Well, technically, you know, everything is a chemical. Even the natural components are chemicals. So everything has a chemical name to it. When we label sunscreens as chemical, what we mean is the way it's working on your skin in order to protect it from the damaging UV rays. So what is the main difference between those two types? Physical sunscreens include only two active ingredients. Those are titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. These are the two ingredients. You can see either one of those or both of them in a combination if you flip the bottle on your sunscreen product and read the active ingredients portion of the label. So those two ingredients work by creating a protective layer on top of the surface of your skin. These physical sunscreen filters are literally made out of the minerals. So they create this protective layer, this barrier, through which the UV rays cannot penetrate. So what they do is they reflect the sunlight. They don't cause any type of chemical reaction in the skin. Physical sunscreens, mineral sunscreens, are preferred versus the other active ingredients, the other SPF filters, to which we refer as chemical SPF filters. They work by absorbing some of that UV light and dispersing it within the skin. So they work not physically by reflecting the sunlight. They absorb it and they kind of create a chemical reaction within the top layers of your skin. While chemical filters create a really translucent finish on your skin, at the same time, those filters also create a chemical reaction and they really speed up the inflammation and cause the inflammation within the skin. As we know, inflammation aids in, it really accelerates the aging process, and inflammation is always a bad thing in the skin. On top of that, chemical sunscreens are really a no-no for sensitive skin because when they absorb the sunlight, they also raise the temperature of the skin. So this extra heat really works in a negative way and really impacts the skin in a negative way. So the main difference between the physical and chemical sunscreen is the way they work. One is reflecting the sunlight, another one is absorbing it and causing inflammation. So I highly recommend you switching to physical sunscreens. And in my next video, I am actually going to recommend you a couple of very neat sunscreens that are my personal favorites. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful information about skincare. Thank you.